I wanted to show you a few things that I've made recently, and I'm going to save my favourite thing until the end. Now first, this is the mechanical smiling machine. It's used by putting this part in the mouth and then doing that. It's made out of hardened denim, the same material that I used to make my sunglasses. I really like these sunglasses that I made out of a pot noodle that I infused with resin. I sliced up the noodle chunk and then inserted lenses which matched the colour of the noodle perfectly. The flavouring from the noodle is what gives the noodle their orangey colour. They still smell a little bit like that flavouring. I think it's curry. This unusual creation is made out of hobnobs that I infused with resin. Here's an intact hobnob, and the rest of the mask was created by mashing up the biscuits, soaking the sort of crumbly biscuits in resin, and then forming them to create this mask shape. Let me show you it on. It fits my face perfectly. The only trouble is, because it covers the nose, I have to breathe out of my mouth. And so it would be hard to use with the mechanical smiling machine for that reason. Actually, you can still breathe out the mouth whilst using this, so it should be fine. And the hobnobs that I used to create this mask came from this hamper of biscuits. McVitie sent me this hamper after they saw a video I made of a different pair of sunglasses made of a different biscuit. So thank you to McVitie's for that. I was the winner of the Most Noseworthy Sunglasses 2023. I had some fun making this award and presented it to myself recently. Thank you. The idea is that the sunglasses I make sit on top like this, and it creates a sort of face. Talking of awards, I actually got sent this real award by YouTube. I need to hang it on the wall somewhere. And I promised that I'd save the best till last. This is the teddy bear that I had as a child. I wanted to make him some spectacles, seeing as he's so old now and his eyesight has deteriorated. The trouble is, his ears don't sit in the same position as most of my customers. Ears on the top of the head present a real challenge when it comes to making spectacles, and that's why I designed them like this, so that they'd fit over his ears and correct his eyesight. With the other bits and pieces I just showed you, I didn't really spend very long making them. But this one I spent a little bit longer, and I'm really pleased with it. Of course, I made all those things as a sneaky way of capturing your attention, so that you see these hardened denim sunglasses that I make the rest of the time with the help of a few other people. Thank you for watching.